Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because what you're about to hear could reshape how we view our nation's defense.
Today, we're exposing a shocking spike in U.S. military aircraft accidents that's raising alarms across the board. If ignored, this trend threatens lives and our security. Let's uncover the facts and demand answers.
From 2020 to 2024 and continuing into 2025, Pentagon data reveals a grim reality. Major aviation accidents have skyrocketed. According to a recent Military Times report, the rate of severe accidents per 100,000 flight hours rose 55%.
If ignored, this trend threatens lives and our security. Let's uncover the facts and demand answers.
From 2020 to 2024 and continuing into 2025, Pentagon data reveals a grim reality. Major aviation accidents have skyrocketed. According to a recent Military Times report, the rate of severe accidents per 100,000 flight hours rose 55% in the 2024 budget year compared with 4 years earlier. ABC News echoes this, noting the spike in 2024 with early signs that 2025 isn't looking better. This surge is tied to factors like budget constraints, intense operational demands, and maintenance challenges, a crisis that's eroding safety and readiness. Examine these figures closely. Incidents span aircraft types from F-35s to Blackhawks, driven by systemic strains. Straight Arrow News reports a 55% jump in Class A mishaps, resulting in 25 deaths and 14 aircraft destroyed in 2024 alone. The impact? Profound losses for service members and their families, underscoring an urgent need for action. Lawmakers are responding decisively. Senator Ted Cruz's ROTOR Act, as detailed on Congress.gov, requires all aircraft to be equipped with automatic dependent surveillance broadcast-in technology to improve aviation safety. Reuters reports that a U.S. Senate panel advanced this bill to mandate advanced aircraft tracking technology following recent incidents. Accountability in our airspace is non-negotiable. These reports from outlets like Military Times and ABC News label it a significant spike, a crisis demanding immediate reforms, increased funding, enhanced training, and stricter protocols. In an era of global tensions, we cannot afford complacency. This isn't just about aircraft, it's about safeguarding our nation's strength. What's your view on these revelations? Share in the comments, like if you demand change, and subscribe for more critical insights. Full sources are linked in the description. Stay informed. The skies depend on it.